You mentioned the importance of parking. Do you have a rule of thumb that you use as far as how many parking spots you would require for a certain sized store, or how do you look at it, and how do you gauge whether you have enough parking or not?
Yeah, I don't really look at it. So, you know, the one store is like 5,000 square feet, and then the newest build is just under 6,000 square feet.
Hmm.
They're both somewhere between 15 and 1,800 pounds of capacity. I
Okay.
know that at the Capitol store we have maybe 20 parking spots, and at sometimes that's not enough. So I
Okay.
knew that I wanted more.
Hmm.
Um, and you want to have parking for obviously your busiest hour or two, which might just be a certain period on a Sunday. You just want to make sure
Yeah.
that when everybody's cramming in at 10 a.m. on Sunday,
Yeah.
um, that you got enough parking spots for that. Because during the week you're gonna have parking. Like
Right.
you're gonna have plenty of
Right.
parking. Just want to make sure you
Right.
got it during your busiest times. But so I guess I don't have a specific rule of thumb, but
Okay. But yeah, it's
but I
it's the
know that
key.
I just kind of
Yeah.
the more the better. If there's six spots, you're way off. If there's 10, it's not happening. But then that
Yeah.
depends on the size of the store too. So maybe,
Hmm.
but I don't have a specific, this much,
Hmm.
capacity should be this many parking spots, I guess.
Okay.
So
Sure. Yeah. No, that makes sense.